Hey, this is George, and welcome back to George Basic Scripted Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send Bitcoin on Cash App for the first time. So first of all, you need to make sure that Bitcoin function is activated on your account. So you need to click the bank icon at the bottom left menu, and right here you will see Bitcoin. To activate Bitcoin function, you need to verify your account. So first of all, if you have not verified your account, first of all make sure that your account is verified, and after that you will be able to use Bitcoin function on Cash App. So when you open the Bitcoin, first of all you need to buy the Bitcoin, click the buy button, then enter the amount of money you want to spend to buy Bitcoin and confirm the transaction. You will buy the Bitcoin on your Cash App account. After you will have available Bitcoin, then you will see this sell and send buttons right here. So using the sell button, you can sell your Bitcoins and convert your Bitcoins to Cash App balance, or you can just click this arrow button right here, and with this button you can send your Bitcoin to another Cash App account or to another crypto wallet. So when you click the send button, first of all you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you are going to send. Then you need to paste the wallet address you are sending to. So right here you need to enter the wallet address you are sending Bitcoin to. You can enter the description of your transaction and click the next button in the top right corner. After that, you need to select the speed of your transaction. You can choose priority, rush, and standard, but they have got different fees as you can see on the photo. Priority arrives in 10 minutes and the fee is higher. So that's how you can send Bitcoin to any other Cash App account or any other crypto wallet. And now I'll show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address to receive Bitcoin on your Cash App account. So again, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left corner, click Bitcoin, scroll all the way down until you will see deposit Bitcoin button right here. You need to click this button and it shows you your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. You need to copy this wallet address. You can send this address to your friend or to somebody who is sending the Bitcoin to you, and he will send the Bitcoin to your Cash App account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.